What's up, my math translators, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here on the channel, hi, I'm Jessica Wade, owner of Math Relief Academy at mathreliefacademy.com, where I offer one-on-one tutoring to grades 6 through 12 and college students taking college algebra, pre-calculus, and statistics. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And if you find today's video helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up and that share button if you're enjoying my tutoring styles. Let's get started with today's video, evaluating expressions using the order of operations. In today's video, we will learn how to evaluate expressions and use the correct order of operations. Okay? To evaluate means to plug in the numerical value that the alphabetical symbol represents. All right. Number 15. Before we begin, also so we can still keep up with our order of operations, we're going to just pin this up here, and it doesn't look too difficult. All we're doing is just plugging the numbers in, so we just need to know the normal order of operations. All right. So number 15, we have 14 times 4 divided by r, where r equals 2. So first we need to replace our r with 2. 14 times 4 divided by 2. All right. Next we have to see which order of operations that we're going to do first. We have multiplication and division. All right. When it comes to multiplication and division, we always work it from left to right. So multiplication comes first. So we're going to do 14 times 4 first, which is 56, and then divided by 2. Now we're just left with the division. So 56 divided by 2 equals 28. Okay. Number 16, 7a, which is the same thing as saying 7 times a, minus 3 times 5. Okay, a equals 5. So we're going to want to plug in 5 for where we have a. So there are multiple ways we can write this. 7a, when a equals 5, okay, minus 3 times 5. I did parentheses because a is right next to the 7. So you want to start off with parentheses first to let you know that that goes with the 7. And then you can then rewrite it out as 7 times 5 minus 3 times 5. All right. We now want to do our order of operations. We have multiplication, subtraction, and multiplication. So we know multiplication comes before subtraction. So we're going to multiply the 7 times 5 first, because although there's 2 multiplication symbols, we still want to work from left to right. All right. Even if it was just 2 subtraction symbols, you want to do left from right always. Okay. So 7 times 5 is 35, minus 3 times 5. Next, we have multiplication and subtraction left. We still doing our multiplication first because it comes first in our order of operations. So we have 35 minus, and then 3 times 5 is 15. And then all we have left is our subtraction, and 35 minus 15 is 20. All right. So just remember, whenever you see 2 of the same operations, you want to work still from left to right, okay? Just so you won't get confused, okay? Number 17, 22 minus 22 divided by s, where s equals 2, okay? So wherever we see s, we're going to put 2. So 22 minus 22 divided by 2. All right, all those 2's. Good luck and blessings to all who are watching this video. Okay, so we have subtraction and division. Division comes before subtraction in our order of operations. So we're going to do 22 minus, and then 22 divided by 2 is 11. Okay, then we have 22 minus 11, We know that equals, I'm going to put an equal sign right here, 11. Okay? Number 18, we have 18 minus 3x, which is also saying 18 minus 3 times x. Okay? X equals 4. So wherever we see x, we plug in 4. So 18 minus 3, and I say put in parentheses first, just so you know that it takes that value. Alright, now we're going to do 18 minus 3 times 4. And I keep writing it like this so you all can see the operations, okay? So you won't get confused with the parentheses, because when you write it like this, you're actually getting rid of the parentheses. As long as you keep the parentheses there, you're going to be like, there's nothing left in the parentheses. Well, what I'm supposed to do is in the parentheses, what I'm supposed to do. So that's why I say you can get rid of the parentheses when there's no other operations, and then just write out the full operation, okay? So we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So we're going to do 18 minus, and 3 times 4 is 12. Okay? And 18 minus 12 equals 6. Okay? Number 19, we have 16 plus y divided by 8. Y equals 48. Alright, so wherever we see y, we plug in 48. 16 plus 48 divided by 8. Okay, our two operations that we have are addition and division. All right, division comes before addition, so we have to divide. Okay, so we have 16 plus, and then we have to divide 48 divided by 8, which give us 6. Okay, now we're left with just 16 plus 6, which gives us 22. Number 20, 12x, or 12 times x, plus 7, where x equals 5. Wherever you see x, you plug in 5. So 12, and we're going to put the 5 in parentheses. That's how we're going to start it off. Plus 7. Alright, now that we know that our 5 represents our x, because we have it in parentheses, we can get rid of that parentheses to see our full operation. 12 times 5 plus 7. Alright, the two operations that we have here are multiplication and addition. And multiplication comes before addition, so we need to multiply 12 times 5 is 60. So then we have 60 plus 7. 60 plus 7 equals 67. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need more help with evaluating expressions and using the correct order of operations to solve them, feel free to book a one-on-one math tutoring session with me at www.mathleafacademy.com. Thank you and have a good day.